We're back. And we have a pretty weird food, potato. I accidentally did that. Not sure what to think. Potato explosion, I don't see potato. But certainly it looks like an explosion. Well. Well, I guess there's gotta be some cameos. Okay, let's get started. Dive into this disgusting thing. Fork's probably gonna work better. Look at that cheese. That cheese doesn't look real. I mean, it's just fries, ground meat, and that's really it. Not sure what to think. Pretty good, actually. This were on the menu more often, I'd try it more. Or I'd have it more. The milk, as always, overly strong or overly bland. By the way, not bad. And these are, these fries, I don't really, mind. That's actually good.
I literally am a good guy.
That's actually pretty good. Yeah. I might have this more often. It may look absolutely disgusting. Camp, yeah, I said in last video, camp's gonna open back up and I'm gonna do walkthroughs of the trails and stuff and see what we could find. It would be fun. So yeah, we'll do walkthroughs of the trails. And anyway, back to on the subject of painting videos. They're inconsistent, to say the least. But yeah, it also takes a lot of storage. The last video was like an hour and 10 minutes. I think? I don't remember. It's been a while. So yeah. The video might be a little shorter, the next painting video, because I took so long explaining the techniques and, you know, stopping to explain them. I'll explain them as I do it next time. So I don't really know our plan.
I'm just holding an apple.
I mean, the cheese is nowhere near peak, but not bad. I mean, the cheese doesn't taste real, but that's any school's cheese. They're tossing apples. So on the other side of the room, you like put the trays in a window and wire.
Can you recreate the Drake video?
Get out of here! Maybe one day. But anyway, there's a windowsill there. You like put the trays there, and my friend had an apple, and the other.
You guys gonna recreate the Drake video?
Oh God, Levi. But anyway, Levi was the kid meant to catch it, and my friend Miguel had the apple, and he was gonna like chuck it. And normally the kid who was catching was out that day, so Levi, significantly shorter than this other kid, was meant to catch the apple. It flew right over his head, and they were going to catch it and toss it in the garbage can. Flew right over his head into the tray cleaning line, and like I don't even know what happened. Well, wow. So anyway, I'm gonna try and think it through on see if I could do like gaming videos. I've always wanted to do it ever since I thought of trying YouTube. I've always wanted to do games. So yeah. We'll see if we can do anything there. And that's about it for now. Wait for it to warm up. I'll be at camp. I'll make videos. That's about it today. See ya.